Good Thursday morning, and thank you for logging on to the Beamish Blogcast, May 22nd, 2014, and the main weather story on this Thursday continues to be the wildfires burning across Arizona. Here's the latest update we have. 6 fires currently burning across the state. The one of greatest concern is the Slide Fire at just over 4,800 acres. No containment on that. Also, another one we're watching is the Research Fire, over 800 acres. That started yesterday just east of Sonoyta Vineyards, to the south of Elgin. That's 75% contained, so definitely some good news on that. And the third that I'm concerned about is the Woods Canyon Fire. That is a very popular recreation area, and as we're heading into the holiday weekend, I know a lot of you probably heading to the higher elevations to do a little camping. So far, no containment on that, and we haven't got any word on some of the latest stats. At last word, 175 to 250 acres for that fire burning just to the east of Payson. Fire weather concerns yet again this afternoon. Gusty winds, low relative humidity, and extreme fire danger. A red flag warning in effect for the eastern half of Pima, all of Santa Cruz, and all of Cochise counties, 10 o'clock this morning till 7 o'clock this evening. Winds winding up thanks to an area of low pressure just to the north of Las Vegas, not only bringing the winds and the high fire danger, maybe a couple of isolated storms heading into the weekend. More on that in a bit. Let's talk about the winds first, though. Around 3 o'clock this afternoon, coming out of the southwest, 20 to 30 miles per hour. Notice the areas, though, where you see the orange and the red. That indicates higher gusts. So 40 mile per hour wind gusts in your neighborhood, not out of the question as you get east of Sells. And I know tonight, once again, a lot of graduation ceremonies going on here across Metro Tucson, and the winds should begin to subside around 7, 8 o'clock this evening, around 5 to 10 miles per hour eventually. Now, the rain equation in the forecast here. Anywhere along and north of a Benson-Wilcox line today, slight chance of isolated storms. Futurecast keeping them toward the White Mountains, but we can't rule out a stray storm making it as far south as the I-10 corridor in Cochise County. Tomorrow, isolated storms possible along the international border southwest of Tucson, and then if you're heading for the mountains on Saturday to kickstart your holiday weekend, a chance of isolated storms in the forecast. Valley floors dry, but also keep in mind that wildfire threat will exist with these storms. Not a lot of rainfall expected. Could see more lightning strikes than rain, thus leading to more wildfires. A look at your TrueView 4 extended forecast. 90 this afternoon, cooling off into the 80s tomorrow and Saturday. Then the heat is on the remainder of the 7-day period. 100 in the forecast by Wednesday of next week. Let's go inside the 7-day. A lot of people looking forward to that long weekend. Storms on Saturday, likely into the White Mountains. By Sunday, more sunshine here across southern Arizona. Temperatures near average on Memorial Day. So certainly the good news going into this weekend is the fact that the winds will stay relatively calm, probably around 10 to 15 miles per hour, and that will hopefully not lead to any more red flag warnings and hopefully won't be impacting your barbecue plans for Memorial Day weekend. Thanks for logging on. An update on all the wildfires today on News 4 Tucson at noon.